Can't afford to buy a house, so we bought a boat. It's rusty and it's dated, but at least it floats. So follow our adventure as we build our home. Welcome to the channel, it's Project Bluey.
Oh my god, it's sunny.
That's so lovely.
Last day at DP Coating, which is our home base here with Bluey. It's greeny, Bluey behind.
We're not very creative with these names,
Look,
are we?
it's just consistency.
Oh my god.
We have a few jobs to do. The strip out of the bridge, which is up there.
Shipper's head.
Waterproof the boat, do a tip run, and a couple of little bits and bobs. So
Yeah.
we better get on with it because we've not got a full day. So
No.
get on with it, Mariah.
Today, this ceiling bit, it needs to be stripped. It's not coming out that easily. It's maybe glued. So it's going to be brutal. I'm gonna have to be a little bit aggressive, but not too aggressive, of course. So wish me luck.
One project that I am exploring is I'm going to take a window out and DIY double glaze it and come up with a different system as to how to put the windows back in, because all of the windows in this boat are single glazed, and of course if we're going to have it in the North Netherlands it's going to be cold if it's single glazed. This has come out to be my guinea pig for the double glazing. Never taken one of these windows out, so let's just have a good old bosh. I have the window out. Double glazing, it's really expensive to do it for a ship like this. We're going to try and do it ourselves. It's time to load the van for the last tip run. We've got a bunch of cables and we've got copper piping. The metal's going to the scrapyard and the wood's going to the tip. Let's get it done. Mariah has done a fantastic job in the, well, what she calls the shipper's hut. All cleaned out. How was that, Mariah?
It was a battle, but at some point I found a technique. From there, it went quite quickly.
It's like that with a lot of these jobs. You start off and you think, this is impossible. How am I ever going to do this?
Yeah.
Find a technique that starts to work. It becomes easier.
Yeah.
And you just accept your fate, ride it out for the next 2 hours.
Yeah.
Have some lunch, tip run. Right. Lunch of champions here on the boat. Beautiful day. Spring has arrived.
What are you doing?
Putting our cables in a bucket because we're selling them to the scrapyard.
Yay. Not only the cables, but also the copper.
And some pipes as well. That's the old chimneys we sell.
Oh yeah, the chimneys. That was easy.
Waiting to get paid for the trash from the boat.
Yes.
How much do you think we're going to get?
No idea. It's €5. It will buy me a coffee.
Let's hope for €5 then. Question is, how much money did we get for our copper and cables, Mariah? Show us the bills.
€304.
That's lovely. €304. That's more than a coffee.
I mean, that's like
Are you trying to work out how many coffees?
50 coffees. Sure.
It's 61 coffees to
Depends on where you go, baby.
be. You're going to be very caffeinated.
Yes.
Should we go to the tip?
Yes.
Yes. If you'd like to help us turn this boat into our forever home, then we are selling T-shirts on our website. All proceeds will go towards this project.